Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial on how to remove a Tax Pro from your H&R Block cart in 2025. Whether you're rethinking your tax strategy or just tweaking your purchase, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and hassle-free. Let's dive in. First off, why might you want to remove a Tax Pro? It's that add-on service for professional tax help, and if you decide it's not for you, getting rid of it from your cart is super simple. Start by ensuring you're logged into your H&R Block account. Head over to the H&R Block website, enter your username and password, and once you're in, look for the My Cart or Shopping Cart icon, usually in the top right corner. Now, in your cart, you'll see a list of items. Scroll down until you spot the one labeled Tax Pro Assistance or something similar. Right next to it, there should be a Remove button or a small X icon. Click that to initiate the removal. Don't worry, it's that easy. After you click Remove, a confirmation window might pop up asking if you're sure. Just select Yes or Confirm to proceed. Once that's done, take a second to double-check your cart. The item should no longer be there. If it is, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. A quick tip. If you're using the H&R Block mobile app, the process is similar. Tap the card icon at the bottom, find the Tax Pro item, and hit Remove from there. Remember, this is based on the 2025 updates, so the interface might look a bit different, but the core steps stay the same. And that's it, you've successfully removed the Tax Pro from your cart. This could save you some money and streamline your tax filing. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.